Hello and welcome to From the Factory. Ford recently revealed the all-new Mustang GTD, its boldest and most advanced Mustang ever. Today we are going to reveal 5 amazing facts about the Ford Mustang GTD. Number 5. The creation of the Ford Mustang GTD is a collaboration between Ford and Multimatic. Ford last collaborated with Multimatic to produce the latest Ford GT. Besides Ford, Multimatic has also collaborated in the past with Aston Martin and Ferrari to provide technology for some amazing vehicles such as the Aston Martin 177, Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato, and Ferrari Purosangue. Number 4. The Ford Mustang GTD is based off of the Ford Mustang GT3 race car. The GTD was designed in parallel with the race car in order to give it as much racing heritage as possible. Number 3. The Ford Mustang GTD will have carbon fiber galore. The roof, fenders, hood, front splitter, rear diffuser, trunk lid, and door seals are all made of carbon fiber. The GTD will have the most carbon fiber ever offered on a factory-built Mustang. Number 2. The Mustang GTD will include unparalleled service. Each Mustang GTD will include concierge service and be hand-delivered to the customer's residence. And number 1, with over 800 horsepower and a 50-50 weight distribution, the company is aiming for a sub-7-minute lap time around the famed Nürburgring. This would put the GTD in a class of its own, as to date, no factory-built street-legal American-made vehicle has ever completed a lap around this famous track in under 7 minutes. So there you have it, 5 amazing facts about the upcoming Ford Mustang GTD. Would you consider the GTD over other vehicles such as the Porsche GT3 RS or Lamborghini Huracan STO? Let us know in the comments below. Also, just click on the link above to find out 5 amazing facts about the all-new Cadillac Escalade IQ. Thank you for watching, and we will see you the next time.